निर्माता।
नमस्कार, डीडी भारती की इस खास पेशकश में मैं भावना आप सभी दर्शकों का हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करती हूँ। वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ डिजाइन यानी WUD ने विश्व भर में अपना एक अलग स्थान बनाया है। ये देश का पहला और एकमात्र ऐसा विश्वविद्यालय है जो रचनात्मक क्षेत्र में शिक्षा को समर्पित है। इस विश्वविद्यालय में मुख्य रूप से वास्तुकला, फैशन और डिजाइन की शिक्षा प्रदान की जाती है। देश में कलाकारों की विविधता को प्रोत्साहित करने और उन्हें सशक्त बनाने के लिए वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ डिजाइन ने क्रिटिक्स चॉइस अवार्ड की स्थापना की है। इसी कड़ी में 3 मार्च 2021 को वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ डिजाइन ने फ्रांसीसी कलाकार स्टेफनी लेबेलर अल्पेस को 2021 क्रिटिक्स चॉइस अवार्ड के लिए सम्मानित किया।
A very good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining in. As we know, it's a very beautiful gathering. I can see such happy, live, fresh faces here. Thank you, one and all, for joining in again. We all are here to celebrate Stephanie's wonderful collection and her success. WUD Critics' Choice Award, she's been nominated by the jury, and she's going to be awarded today. I will quickly brief a short introduction about her, and then we can formally begin the evening. Stephanie, for her, women's status has been her concern of the longest time. She's passionate about women and their fragilities, their strength, and their complexities. From a young age, she has been attracted to painting and fine arts. She began painting as a teenager. Adolescence is an essential and complicated time, she says, and often felt wasn't understood. The journey from child to teenager to adult created a kind of vertigo for her. She's a self-taught artist. Work focuses on representation, the inner beauty of women. It is also a healing process, she says, where find a lot of her energies helps her to live and life-altering diseases. Coming to a realization that extends, hangs only by a thread, she have a dedicated to her sublining woman. For her, art represents the dimensions she perceives in the life of a woman. Where, what she's doing, where is she coming from. She wonders the present and the future about that which she can see and also the unknown. Relocating to India in 2015 has impacted her work a lot. She has moved by what she sees, what she feels. The vastness of the country challenges to show the diversity and the contrast among Indian women, their tragedies, their laughter, their energies, even in the most dire situation, are striking and awe to her. She interprets that is all in her art. We can see that live here. She has been portraying a lot of her visit to Rajasthan. I would kindly request Sanjay to come and speak few words. Thank you.
It is given only to those who are exhibiting in the city, and our jury goes around and try to find people who show that spark which we are looking for. When we looked at her work, you see it around you. The forms are simple, but it's very powerful. The impact is very strong. And you can't miss the Indian influence, even though she has come from the other lands, far lands. And to get that right impact, the right colors which India is known for. As Indians, when we do and observe ourselves, we do miss small nuances, because for us it has always been there. It's only when you see from the eyes of others who have come from outside that these small nuances becomes visible. The squatting stance which you see here, the women sit, all our laborers around the country sit in this, but it has never become so important as it has become in our paintings. So wonderful work, we were very impressed, and hence this award.
WUD, under the guidance of Ghazi Raghib, renowned art critic and art director, has selected me to join other artists who have already received the award. It is a wonderful initiative from WD to support artists and fits well in its innovative education philosophy and the value at the heart of the university. I am certain that the Critic Choice Award will contribute to bringing additional recognition to my work from collectors, and that I will encourage young artists to persevere no matter the challenge. Thank you very much for your support and for being here today with me.
She has superb, and she has a different type of composition, painting. You can say it's a mixed media composition. It's not a painting, it's an artwork in a mixed media. And she's using Rajasthani culture, Indian form created by collage, and merging with the colors, merging with the background, merging with the landscape. So that's why it's totally different. She's using, before in India, she was using French culture, French backgrounds. And when she came to India, she is using Indian forms in how they sit, how they perform, how they look like Indians, especially on women. She is using the women character with the collage, in the collage, by the collage, you can say, and mixing with the collage and with the painting. It's a different artwork. That's why we have chosen Stephanie for this award. Thank you very much.
Happy and proud to express all my congratulations to Stephanie, who is really an example for French people in India, you know, through her artwork and through the connection she creates and she develops between India and France. You know, we always look to improve that. It's our job to, you know, as a diplomat, to create bonds between France and India. And Stephanie, in her field, the paintings, she does that perfectly, and that's why I'm very happy and proud to be there to witness that award. Thank you.
इस गर्व के अवसर पर वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ डिजाइन के वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर संजय गुप्ता ने स्टेफनी के बारे में अपने विचार व्यक्त किए।
World University of Design is an idea whose time has come. The idea is to bring together all creative streams under one roof and make the synergy between the streams work. It has been a long time since in India all these streams have existed in their respective silos. So we have art schools doing something else, we have architecture schools doing something else, we have an NID, which is industrial design, we have NIFTs in fashion, but they all are dealing with their individual streams, apart from each other. But that's not how things work. Things work in synergy. The problems which we face today are problems which needs multiple streams to work together to find a solution. And that is how the World University of Design came into being. It is a 3-year-old university which is offering nearly 30 programs in visual arts, design, architecture, performing arts, design management, all of these streams. And the design streams include fashion, communication design, textile design, product design, transportation design, interior design, communication, film, video, animation, gaming, all of these. So it is a very, very comprehensive offering that the university is offering. Together with what we do in education, we also like to promote the creative arts in the country. And as part of that, we initiated the Critics' Choice Award in visual art, where we would like to promote new and upcoming artists through the country.
3 साल पहले जब स्टेफनी अपने पति और बेटे के साथ भारत आई, तभी से उनका हर एक चीज को देखने का नजरिया बदल गया। स्टेफनी का कहना है कि वो रंगों से आकर्षित होती है, वो हर एक चीज में रंग देखती हैं। स्टेफनी की उत्कृष्ट चित्रकारिता के लिए सन 2018 में संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने उन्हें अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया। गोल्ड पेंट और चमकीले कोलाज स्टेफनी की चित्रकला की खासियत है। स्टेफनी अपनी चित्रकला में सिर्फ चेहरे को महत्व ना देते हुए पूरे व्यक्ति पर ध्यान देती हैं। उनकी पेंटिंग्स में आप व्यक्ति के पूरे आसन को देख सकते हैं और उनकी भावनाओं को बखूबी समझ सकते हैं। चलिए अब आपको स्टेफनी से रूबरू कराते हैं और जानते हैं उनकी इस खूबसूरत यात्रा के बारे में।
Today I'm hosting you in my studio on this special day as I have received the World University Design of Critic Choice Award. So I'm delighted to explain my works on my Indian woman. This is what I have been moved since 5-6 years. I have moved in India and I have noticing the squatting woman in the street. I was so impressed to see this woman in the middle of nowhere having this squatting for hours, and I have the urge to represent them on my work. Before I moved, I was working on European women, naked women, but since I moved, I have the urge to dress up my women thanks to collage, and I have used master painter, European as well as Indian painter, to sublime my women. So you can see women chatting in the middle of nowhere. My technique is collage and resin, and on the background I am using acrylic. I like to imagine them now, but also in another galaxy, in another world, because here in India, I have noticed that the spirituality is very important. In this canvas, you see my woman, Indian woman, squatting in the middle of nowhere. And in all my painting, you will see paths to express the unknown, and because it is very dedicated to show the other world. So I've been trying to show the present, but also the future and the next life. I've been moving in India for 6 years, and I have been intrigued by Indian women sitting in the middle of nowhere. I have decided to represent the squatting woman as well as the walking woman in the middle of nowhere. It is for me very important to give them importance, because women are the most important in the world. It is an honor to represent and to sublime them thanks to master, Indian master such as European master. I believe I have introduced collages to dress up my women, while before I used to work on European women all naked. But since I understand the traditional sari and the traditional women here, I could not leave them naked. So that's why I have been using nice collages from very important master, Indian and European, to give them more importance. The technique is also to put resin on top so that they will be shiny and they will stay for an unknown time on the canvas. You can see also paths on my canvas, because I want to show the present such as the future. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to show. I have a very spiritual experiences 20 years ago, and that's why I think I have introduced past in all my works, such as with the woman. For me, women and the past is my subject.
कहते हैं कि एक महिला खुद में ही इतनी सशक्त होती है कि वो समाज में वास्तविक वास्तुकार होती है, और स्टेफनी ने अपनी चित्रकला के जरिए इस बात को सार्थक कर दिखाया है। स्टेफनी एक अद्भुत कलाकार है, एक सशक्त नारी है, साथ ही एक बेहतरीन इंसान है। स्टेफनी हम सब के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी मिसाल है। कला की इस यात्रा में फिलहाल इतना ही। आपसे जल्द मुलाकात होगी, तब तक के लिए हमें दीजिए इजाजत। नमस्कार।
Thank you.